What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. What I got going on today is I'm going to be doing a mod that not many do, but everybody likes. It's going to be the Underglow. I got the stuff right here. This is a mod that I feel is being slept on. It's always caught my attention from the very first Fast and Furious. So I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna have some fun with it. It's gonna be fun. We'll see how it looks. May look bad, may look good, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so these are the LED strips. They all have 3mm tape, so I'm gonna clean up under where I'm gonna put them. Obviously the sides, the two front, I'm gonna need the sides, the front, and then the rear. I'm gonna figure out where I'm going to place them exactly. I also got a whole bunch of zip ties, just in case I need them, or like I'm gonna need them, because it comes with zip ties, but they're small, and I feel like they'll just rip off if anything. Like, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know. But I'm gonna do the rear right now, because that's the first one I want to start out, to then pull the wire through, see where to line it up and where to run it. Alright, so I put on this back piece now. You barely see it. Hold on. It's right there. You can't really see it, like over here. I'm a zip tie, two on the side, one in the middle. But other than that, the wiring, I'm running it through the, assuming the AC hose, where it pours out the water right there, and then they go out and fall down to here. So that's where I'm going to be running the wiring, and then I'm gonna see where I'm gonna attach it to throughout under the car, so it doesn't get caught up anywhere or damaged or anything. We got a problem. Alright, it's on. Now, let's do the other side. Alright, I got this second side done. Now I'm just gonna do the front, and then after that I'm gonna wire everything through, see how I'm gonna line it up. At least I already know I'm putting everything through from the inside to the outside, which is cool. Done with that part. I feel like I thought that was gonna be the hardest part, but it ended up being the easiest. Cool. Let's continue. I installed everything. Everything's on. Just not all the zip ties are cut. You can see most of them. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Alright, so like I was saying, I just got the zip ties left. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut each zip tie. In the meantime, I really didn't vlog much of it because it's all just fucking wiring, and I really can't like vlog. I can't really vlog and do this at the same time. You know, trying to get every wire in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut just every single piece of this, adjust them, make sure they're all good and they're secure. And then yeah, go ahead and bring it down and then see how it looks. Alright, it's on the ground, good to go, everything's plugged in. It's a moment of truth. Let's check it. Let's see how it is. You guys ready? Oh, hold on. I think this thing, the remote might have that little thing for the battery. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Now for the moment of truth. Nothing in the box. Oh, is that? Oh, okay. There we go. What the fuck? Let's do white. Alright, let's do blue. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Let me turn off this light. The remote has pretty good reach, to be honest with you. Let's go red. What? Let's do jump. Okay. Okay. There's another one. Damn.
It's like if you went to like a auto shop and like in GTA, how you could put
Yeah. Damn. I'm at the roll right now. So I'm gonna go wash the car right now, and then Christian's gonna come through. We're gonna cruise on, so hopefully he's able to get some videos of this. Oh my god.
That's cool.
She's all cleaned up and pretty. I'm about to show Christian. I already showed Omar. I'm about to show Christian this shebang, how it works. You ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Can't really see it here, but I mean.
Alright, and it's all around?
Yeah. All around, buddy. This is a little further back, but I mean, because I don't have anywhere to put it right here. But, I mean, yeah, so. But then I got like the little, if I want to like party or something.
That's pretty sick, bro.
See that? If I want to throw a party or something in my car.
So you put them in spots like, you know, when you're not gonna scrape, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all good. Not gonna hit anywhere. At least to my knowledge. But for the meantime, I also gotta go find a cop, get these other 2 tickets signed off. Some bullshit. But I mean, it is what it is, man. If you're local to San Diego, you're well aware of this dealership right here, Toyota, where they have 2 Supras in here. Well, they got this Supra right here. This one, you can barely see it, but it's like the owner owns it, and I'm assuming he probably starting to he's paying off this one, or he's probably paid it off and he owns that one. But these Supras, this Supra has been in here for the longest time. I always see it in here, and I guess he always gets offers on how much he wants for it. I think it's very low miles and shit like that, but he never wants to sell it, so maybe one day, maybe one day. So I couldn't find a cop. I drove around for a while. Fucking sucks, blows, but whatever. I aired the car out, so I'm gonna see how it looks with it aired out. Jamie's hating. She's hating.
I'm not hating. I just kept it.
Oh shit. So the bottom one, I mean, you can't really see that front one, but
On the freeway, you can see it a lot.
that looks pretty dope, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and say it don't look dope. It's even kind of got the color to my car, look at that. Like a little blue, here's the darker blue. But it's tight, I'm feeling it, Jamie's hating. You hating? Hold on. Anyways, thank you guys for watching that episode on these lights, these Underglow lights on the S2000. It's something that I've always wanted to do, and I'm finally doing it. So it's the one mod that everybody hates on the most but loves just because of where it's from. So. No. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.